Use a suitable gauge manifold depending on the refrigerant. The connection port size and the pressure to be used are different. Workers should wear safety glasses and leather gloves for safety. Check the gasket when connecting the charging hose. Check to see if the gasket is not disconnected or cracked. Be careful not to mix different types of refrigerants in the hose to avoid contamination.
When using a cold rail, use a thicker linearity of at least 2 square millimeters cord.
Also, when using a cold rail, it should be fully extended. Prepare a charging scale. Tear before recovery to measure the exact amount of recovered refrigerant. Check the fusible plug behind the valve of the cylinder to see if the lid portion is not melted or sticking out. The overfill prevention cord coming out from the recovery unit should be properly connected to the connection port of the recovery cylinder. When using an empty recovery cylinder, be sure to use a vacuum pump to vacuum out the air inside.
When the cylinder has a 2-volt valve, it is recommended that connected to the liquid side for ease of operation.
Check the overfill prevention sensor on the recovery cylinder is working properly. When checking the overfill prevention sensor of the recovery unit, turn on the recovery unit by dry running. The overfill prevention sensor on the recovery cylinder is activated by tilting the cylinder.
Connect the charging hose and the manifold to the high and low pressure sides of the outdoor unit. When connecting the charging hose, also please connect the access valve. Also make sure the access valve is completely closed when connecting. Gas enters the recovery unit through the manifold from the high and low pressure of the outdoor unit.
Attach a dry cord in between manifold and the recovery unit to filter oil from refrigerant.
Connect the hose on the high pressure side from the discharge side of the recovery unit to the liquid side of the recovery cylinder.
With the access valve on the outdoor unit closed, open the valves on the manifold, recovery unit, and the recovery cylinder, and start the vacuum pump. Open the valve on the access valve and the valves on the manifold, and make sure that gas pressure rises. Now start the recovery process.
First, make sure that the main knob of the recovery unit is in close position. The parallel and the series switching knob is in parallel operation position. And then open each valve.
Turn on the power to the recovery unit, then start the compressor. Monitoring the display, turn the main knob slowly to liquid position, and to recover position to start refrigerant recovery until reaches 0.6 MPa. When the pressure on the suction side drops, switch from parallel mode to series mode.
When the suction pressure reaches negative 0.03 MPa, the recovery unit automatically stops in about 20 seconds to complete recovery. At the same time, an alarm will sound. Press the alarm stop button to stop the alarm, and turn the main knob to close position.
Next, move on to the self-cleaning process. Return the parallel and the series switching knob to parallel operation position and turn the main knob to push-pull position. Start the compressor and turn the main knob slowly to purge position. Monitoring the display and confirm the suction pressure drops less than 0.6 MPa.
After confirming that the pressure in the recovery unit is negative, close the liquid side valve of the recovery cylinder. Stop the compressor of the recovery unit immediately. This completes the recovery process.
Thank you for your attention.